Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathForKids number 200.
MathForKids number 200. Can you believe it? We're up to 200. Plus we did all the family math stuff too. So this is really, what do we have? Family math 32? So
yeah.
this is really 232 for you this year.
And plus the ones we did last year.
Yeah, I know. It's actually amazing how many we've done of these. It's fun. Okay, so this is based off an old Mathcounts problem that I saw in Art of Problem Solving's pre-algebra book. So it's a little simpler version of the problem, but it's still a pretty good problem with powers. Right? Here's a number, 3 cubed times 9 cubed times 27 cubed, and I want you to write this just as a power of 3. Okay, so how do you want to think about this?
Well, we can say that this equals...
Let's get out of your way.
This is 3 cubed times 3 squared cubed times 3 cubed cubed.
Okay. So 3 cubed, 9 is 3 squared, so 9 cubed is 3 squared cubed. Good. 27 is 3 cubed, so 27 cubed is 3 cubed cubed. Okay, good job. Good start so far.
So now we can evaluate each of them. Okay, well let's evaluate these two as the powers.
Okay, so simplifying. You don't mean evaluating. We don't want to know what 9 cubed and 27 cubed are. We want to know what they are as a power of 3. Okay,
yeah.
So go ahead and write what you need to write.
Well, it's 3 cubed times 3 to the 6th times 3 to the 9th.
Okay, and how did you figure that out?
Powers multiply when they're like that.
Okay, powers of powers multiply. So 3 to the a, sorry, it looks like 3 to the 9th. So how about 3 to the m to the nth power is 3 to the m times n, right?
Yep.
So when you take powers to the power, those powers multiply. Okay? So that's a great job so far. 3 squared times 9, 3 cubed times 9 cubed times 27 cubed is the same as 3 cubed times 3 squared cubed times 3 cubed cubed. I'm running out of breath. Which is the same as 3 cubed times 3 to the 6th. Awesome. Times 3 to the 9th. Okay? Now what?
Now, we can do that when the powers are the same base multiply, they add. We can put that rule in.
Okay. So what do you get now?
So this equals 3 to the 18th.
3 equals 3 to the 18th. And the rule we're using here is 3 to the m times 3 to the n equals 3 to the m plus n. When you multiply powers with the same base, 3 to the m times 3 to the n, you get the powers adding. Ha, 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 ha. So this whole crazy expression, 3 cubed times 9 cubed times 27 cubed, is the same as 3 to the 18th.
Which is a really big number.
Yeah, that's a really big number. It's an enormously big number. It's a humongous number. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I should have figured out what it was beforehand, but I don't know. Off the top of my head, I do not know what 3 to the 18th is. We could try to figure it out if you want.
No.
No? Okay. All right, good job. That's a good example of using our 2 rules we know about powers and simplifying a very complicated expression to be a pretty simple expression. This is, yeah.
A pretty big number.
It is a pretty big number. No doubt. No doubt about it. Okay, good job, sweetie.